been thinking, baby, we could get away and never look back, never look back, never look back, no, never look back, never look back, no. There's no place I'd rather be, 'cause we're gone when you're staring back at me, 'cause we're gone.
Good morning. Welcome back to William Fam. I know I haven't vlogged like this in a while, but been taking a little vacay. Yes, I've been taking a little vacay, but oh man, I just not too long get up. I am tired, as you can see. We're working on my brother-in-law house, so took a little bit of break working on my brother-in-law's house. Did a couple of jobs for other people, because seems like anytime Mario's here, and as long as people hear that he's here, they just have things that they want to get done. So as you can see, yeah, he's been pretty busy doing some other stuff. Yes, oh my goodness. So I am just here, well, trying to open up these curtains, let some light up in here, as I love when my curtains are open up in the morning. I started prepping for dinner as well, and I also have a vlog that I'm uploading for you guys as well. So I'm in the process of doing that. So I am doing that, and I also gotta make breakfast. So I cut up, I'm making some planting, probably some plantain and bread for breakfast today, but I am multitasking. So I'm multitasking. I need to go shower. I have not showered. So that's enough. We need more than that. Oh, you always give it. Hello, that's not enough for three people.
Yes.
You always.
Yesterday we make 2 strand and you last 50.
2 strand. Look how you look a bit all sitting there, coming like you're afraid of taking out more. You are 2 different trees. No? Or no, there's another fever grass tree over there and one there. So you're coming like you're afraid of the fever grass and pick like about 3 to 4 strands to make tea. You forget that this thing, it grows natural, so you can pick as much as you want. So I'm just here making the bed. Mr. Williams up and he's working. We're tiling the living room, so work is being done, and your girl needs to get her hair done. Oh my gosh, yep, I need to get my hair done, but I need to go and so we're gonna have to make an appointment to have that done soon. I'm currently here editing as well, so I'm editing, cleaning up the room, and I'm cooking dinner, and I'm starting to make breakfast. So, and I need to go shower, but I took a break. From what I'm doing, so I'm going to go actually shower, get myself together, come back, and I'll bring you guys in the kitchen with me. I haven't done that in a while since I've been out here, and I'll show you guys what Mr. William is doing down there. I don't know if there's gonna be any work being done to the house today, and yeah, I just got some videos, like because he's been out working on some other projects, so I'm just gonna edit those and put those up. Sorry that we have not given you guys much outing vlog. As you know, we have an 8 o'clock curfew down here, and things are just getting tighter. And even though yes, we are back home, if we can limit as well, like being around a lot of people, then we do that. So, and there's plenty of things to do in the yard anyways, so it's not like I'm in the house. Like if I was overseas, I'm always outside, and sometimes I'm just out there just sitting on the veranda just enjoying the scenery. Huh?
What do you know?
What are the what?
You just said there's 3. I only know about pool.
I think there's one at the backyard down back there. So, and yes, the other day when Memphis went and he went and climbed the jelly tree, right, and go pick breadfruit, he didn't even vlog. So I'm gonna make sure that when he goes out, and he went fishing and he didn't even vlog. So I'm gonna make sure when he leaves, he actually tries and vlog. I'm gonna show you guys the puppies. The puppies have gotten even bigger as well. But you know what? I'm gonna edit this video quickly so I could upload it, and then I'm gonna go shower. And yeah, I will pretty much come back and show you guys what is up.
Hi everyone, welcome back to another day of the Williams family. Today I'll be signing off the vlog. Mom's showering, Memphis is cooking her breakfast. Memphis making plantain. I think he might be frying the breadfruit. Yeah, he's frying the breadfruit too. So plantain, breadfruit, and there's gonna be bread with it. I'm gonna see what the guys are doing on the house. That looks so nice, guys. It's so pretty. I think there might be down here. And Uncle Ron's working on Uncle Ron's house today. They must be down here. I'll go the other way because I don't want to fall. Oh. Flow, nice. Cassie. Hey, Cassie. Let's go check on the puppies and see if their eyes are open yet. Supposed to be open today. Okay, they're all four cuddled up. They're 2 boys and 2 girls. They're so cute, but they're sleeping though. Alright, go back up to Memphis, see if it's finished, so the girls can get their food to eat. Back up here. Morning, Fate.
Good morning.
Mommy's bathing. The first step, second step, final step.
Alright guys, so I am finished. It's dark in here. Starting to cook. So I got myself some fried plantain. Well, Memphis fried them, and fried breadfruit. And I have meat. And I have chicken meat thawing, and I'm cooking some chicken and beef for dinner. So piece is done. I just need to put in the rice, but I want to get them meat going. So going to bring the guys in their tea, and I'll show you guys how far they reach. Yeah, well, this is how far they reach. I bring them their breakfast. This is how far they reach. Oh, look at the design. So the floor is almost finished. Got the ends and stuff to do, and just over there. Yeah, so almost done. Almost done. Editing, as you guys can see. Yeah, so I'm editing right here, and I'm also cooking dinner. So that is what I'm doing. I'm just actually frying some chicken. Cassie, hey baby. So I'm frying some chicken. I know I didn't even turn on the lights in the kitchen. I usually, since you guys are in here, I usually don't turn on the lights while I'm cooking, because I don't need it because I have enough sun, but because of videoing purposes I will turn the light on. So I got my chicken here, and I got my mix. So that is what I am doing. I'm frying some chicken, and then I'm going to put on the beef. So I got the beef in here. So I'm frying the chicken first, and then I'm gonna go put on the beef. Yes, and get that out the way. So that is what I'm doing, and then between cooking and editing, and then checking on the guys to show you guys what they're doing. So that is what is up for today. Not just a nice chill day, you know, home. And yeah, just holding the vibe. I don't know, maybe we'll watch a movie later. Maybe we'll do dinner and a movie outside. Oh, see, and there goes the lighting. So like I said, maybe we'll do dinner and a movie outside. We'll see how cold it gets. So we'll do that. So I haven't been able to go to the river as yet, because it's been, well, haven't gotten that much rain, so rivers is not, would have to go like to probably a different parish to go to river, but we're gonna have to plan another family trip to go do something like that. So hopefully soon. I'm hoping that we can do that soon. Hopefully soon enough. So I'm just letting the chicken fry. Getting nice and crispy. I haven't actually made any fried chicken since I've been out here. I've eaten fried chicken, but I have not made my own. Oh, okay, so the last of these, so I just took these out, and the last bit of fried chicken is frying, and then I gotta make gravy, and I gotta put on the beef. The beef to cook. So the rice and peas is pretty much finished over there. So I just turned the stove off for that. So dinner is done, and I gotta go do some editing. So I'm just trying to cook early, and then I'll be able to go do some editing. So I'm just cleaning down the counter. I just finished washing up the dishes and stuff like that, and cleaning down the counter. So that is what I'm doing, and I'm gonna sweep and mop the kitchen floor. So did laundry yesterday, so that's not yesterday, a couple of days ago. So don't have no laundry to do, and clean the house and wash down the bathroom. So make things a little bit easier. I love the smell of a fresh, clean house. Just love it. Okay guys, so fried chicken is done. It's up there. Now I'm about to put in the beef. Now that is going to take a good hot minute, so I'm trying to get it in so it can sit and cook down. So, but if you have a pressure cooker, it will get done fast. But I'm used to just doing it regularly, so that is what I am doing. So I'm just putting on the meat now, and then I'll take you guys to go see what these guys are doing. And what is this? Spring some water, and then I'm gonna come and put the rest of the stuff in, and yeah, that's it. And then I just gotta make the sauce for the fried chicken. So that's pretty much all I'm doing. So I'm gonna go finish do that, and then get some editing done, and then I'll come back and show you guys where the guys them reach, but they should reach really far. And let's go see where the guys them reach on the place. Yes. Oh, the sun, it is hot. Oh, the guys them are pretty much almost there. Oh, oh. Guys, so I just not too long finished showering. It's not dark, the still light, but see Mr. Williams down there eating. So yeah, so Mr. Williams eating, and we are about to watch a movie on the projector. Yes, so don't mind if you like, this is my plate, big bowl. So that is my dinner. I made, like I said, I made some beef. So did some stewed beef for dinner. So did some beef for dinner and fried chicken with a new twist of gravy. So that is what we're about to eat. Everybody's pretty much eating. It just coming with a plate. So I'm about to go watch a movie now, and I have another video that I gotta edit and upload. The last video I had, well, it was released late, but sorry for that. So we're gonna go see what movie to watch now, and yeah, I'm gonna look for something good, and that's pretty much what we're doing. But it's bright out. I just fed the dog. She had committed cook up rice and some I had some like chicken foot. Oh, sorry for lighting. Had some chicken foot that kind of got freezer burned, so that worked out great because I was able to cook that up for her and give them that. So they had that for their dinner, but they look like them still hungry because the puppy is just literally eating. Like those dogs that she have, they can eat. They remind me of their dad, and the same way he used to eat enough, they eat enough. So it look like they're kind of sucking the life from her. It look like they're kind of sucking the life from her at the moment. So, but that's pretty much it. Oh, sorry for the lighting, guys. It's because I'm getting it dark in here to watch the movie. So, you know, the projector only work when it's really, well, it shows better when it's dark. So if I'm not so if you guys don't see me back, I will try and show you guys. They're almost finished. They're just doing the corners, so they're cutting the corners to do the corner of the tiles, all the cut parts of sorry, the tiles. That's what they're doing right now. So if you don't see me, then you know it's the end of the vlog, and if you do see me, then you know I'm gonna show you guys the rest of the house. But that is pretty much it for my day. And yeah, so yeah, I'll show you guys. I'll most likely go down and show you guys it later. So, and like I said, sorry again for the lighting. I'm about to go eat now, so I catch you in a few. So this is where it reached. He just has here to do, and well, obviously the floor has to be grout. So he finished the corners yesterday. Yeah, I didn't come back and end the vlog, and he still has that piece to do. And yeah, so this little piece here, but the corners are all done. So that is the look. That is it. Yes, thumbnail. Okay, so what you guys think of the floor so far? We gotta get it grouted and stuff and finish.
They are not our fears we see. No one will left. We can't sink on the Titanic. Fight for you, you fight for me, die for you. Remember when them tell us that me gonna be the wife for you. But in the past how we pass it just like an interlude. How they meet, how them greet is like real life an interview. That in the days and now it's every day.